to give up or completely incapacitate.
AAA, auth counting. Authentication, authorization and auditing. Control list. Asymmetric digital subscriber ES, advanced in AH, authentic AP, access point. APC, angle polished connector. APIPA, automatic private internet protocol addressing. APT, advanced persistent tool. ARIN, American Registry for Internet Numbers. ARP, address resolution protocol. AS, autonomous system. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Exchange. ASIC, Application Specific Integrated Circuit. ASP, Application Service Provider. ATM, Asynchronous Transfer Mode. AUP, Acceptable Use Policy. Auto, MDX, Automatic Medium Dependent Interface Crossover. BCP, Business Continuity Plan. BERT, Bit Error Rate Test. BGP, Border Gateway Protocol. BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy. BNC, British Naval Connector / Bayonet Niel Concealment Boot Protocol / Bootstrap Protocol. BPDU, Bridge Protocol Data Unit. BRI, Basic Rate Interface. BSSID, Basic Service Set Identifier. BYOD, Bring Your Own Device. CAS, Communication as a Service. CAM, Content Addressable Memory. CAN, Campus Area Network. ARP, Common Address Redundancy Protocol. CASB, Cloud Access Security Broker. CAT, Category. CCMP, Counter Mode Cipher Block Chaining Message Authentication Code Protocol. CCTV Closed Circuit TV. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access. CSMA, CD, Carrier Sense Multiple Access / Collision Detection. CHAP, Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol. CIDR, Classless Interdomain Routing. CIFS, Common Internet File System. CNAME, Canonical Name. COS, Class of Service. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CRAMMD5 Challenge Response Authentication Mechanism Message Digest 5. CRC, Cyclic Redundancy Checking. CSMA, CIA Carrier Sense Multiple Access / Collision Avoidance. CSU, Channel Service Unit. CVE, Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures. CVW, Collaborative Virtual Workspace. CWDM, Coarse Wave Division Multiplexing. DAS, Desktop as a Service. DB, Decibel. DCS, Distributed Computer System. DDoS, Distributed Denial of Service. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DLC, Data Link Control. DLP, Data Loss Prevention. DLR, Device Level Ring. DMVPN, Dynamic Multipoint Virtual Private Network. DMZ, Demilitarized Zone. DNAT, Destination Network Address Translation. DNS, Domain Name Service / Domain Name Server / Domain Name System. DOCSIS, Data over Cable Service Interface Specification. DOS, Denial of Service. DPI, Deep Packet Inspection. DR, Designated Router. DSCP, Differentiated Services Code Point. DSL, Digital Subscriber Line. DSSS, Direct Sequence Spread Spectrum. DSU, Data Service Unit. DTLS, Datagram Transport Layer Security. DWDM, Dense Wavelength Division Multiplexing. E1, E-Carrier Level 1. EAP, Extensible Authentication Protocol. EBCDIC, Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. EDNS, Extension Mechanisms for DNS. EGP, Exterior Gateway Protocol. EMI, Electromagnetic Interference. ESD, Electrostatic Discharge. ESP, Encapsulated Security Payload. ESSID, Extended Service Set Identifier. EUI, Extended Unique Identifier. FC, Fiber Channel. FCOE, Fiber Channel over Ethernet. FCS, Frame Check Sequence. FDM, Frequency Division Multiplexing. FHSS, Frequency Hopping Spread Spectrum. FM, Frequency Modulation. FQDN, Fully Qualified Domain Name. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. FTPS, File Transfer Protocol Security. GBIC, Gigabit Interface Converter. GBPS, Gigabits per Second GLBP, Gateway Load Balancing Protocol. GPG, GNU Privacy Guard. GRE, Generic Routing Encapsulation. GSM, Global System for Mobile Communications. HA, High Availability. HDLC, High Level Data Link Control. HDMI, High Definition Multimedia Interface. HIDS, Host Intrusion Detection System. HIPS, Host Intrusion Prevention System. HSPA, High Speed Packet Access. HSRP, Hot Standby Router Protocol. HT, High Throughput. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. HVAC Heating, Ventilation, and Air Conditioning. HC, Hertz. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. IANA, Internet Assigned Numbers Authority. ICA, Independent Computer Architecture. ICANN, Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. ICS, Internet Connection Sharing/Industrial Control System. IDF, Intermediate Distribution Frame. IDS, Intrusion Detection System. IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IGMP, Internet Group Message Protocol. IGP, Interior Gateway Protocol. IGRP, Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. IKE, Internet Key Exchange. IMAP4, Internet Message Access Protocol version 4. InterNIC, Internet Network Information Center. IoT, Internet of Things. IP, Internet Protocol. IPAM, IP Address Management. IPS, Intrusion Prevention System. IPsec, Internet Protocol Security. IP version 4, Internet Protocol version 4. IP version 6, Internet Protocol version 6. ISAKMP, Internet Security Association and Key Management Protocol. ISDN, Integrated Services Digital Network. IS, Intermediate System to Intermediate System. ISP, Internet Service Provider. IT, Information Technology. ITS, Intelligent Transportation System. IV, Initialization Vector. KBPS, Kilobits per Second KVM, Keyboard Video Mouse. L2TP, Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol. LACP, Link Aggregation Control Protocol. LAN, Local Area Network. LC, Local Connector. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LEC, Local Exchange Carrier. LED, Light Emitting Diode. LLC, Logical Link Control. LLDP, Link Layer Discovery Protocol. LSA, Link State Advertisements. LTE, Long-Term Evolution. LWAPP, Lightweight Access Point Protocol. MAS, Mobility as a Service. MAC, Media Access Control/Medium Access Control. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MBPS, Megabits per Second MBPS, Megabytes per Second MDF, Main Distribution Frame. MDI, Media Dependent Interface. MDIX, Media Dependent Interface Crossover. MFA, Multi-Factor Authentication. MGCP, Media Gateway Control Protocol. MIB, Management Information Base. MIMO, Multiple Input, Multiple Output. MLA, Master License Agreement/Multilateral Agreement. MMF, Multimode Fiber. MOA, Memorandum of Agreement. MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. MPLS, Multi-Protocol Label Switching. MS, CHAP, Microsoft Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol. MSA, Master Service Agreement. MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. MT, RJ, Mechanical Transfer Register Jack. MTU, Maximum Transmission Unit. MTTR, Mean Time to Recovery. MTBF, Mean Time Between Failures. MIMO, Multi-User Multiple Input, Multiple Output. MX, Mail Exchanger. NAC, Network Access Control. NAS, Network Attached Storage. NAT, Network Address Translation. NCP, Network Control Protocol. NDR, Non-Delivery Receipt. NetBEUI, Network Basic Input/Output Extended User Interface. NetBIOS, Network Basic Input/Output System. NFC, Near Field Communication. NFS, Network File Service. NGFW, Next Generation Firewall. NIC, Network Interface Card. NIDS, Network Intrusion Detection System. NIPS, Network Intrusion Prevention System. NIU, Network Interface Unit. NM, Nanometer. NNTP, Network News Transport Protocol. NTP, Network Time Protocol. OCSP, Online Certificate Status Protocol. OCX, Optical Carrier. OID, Object Identifier. OOB, Out of Band. OS, Operating System. OSI, Open Systems Interconnect. OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. OTDR, Optical Time Domain Reflectometer. OUI, Organizationally Unique Identifier. PaaS, Platform as a Service. PAN, Personal Area Network. PAP, Password Authentication Protocol. PAT, Port Address Translation. PC, Personal Computer. PCM, Phase Change Memory. PDoS, Permanent Denial of Service. PDU, Protocol Data Unit. PGP, Pretty Good Privacy. PKI, Public Key Infrastructure. PoE, Power over Ethernet. POP, Post Office Protocol. POP3, Post Office Protocol version 3. POTS, Plain Old Telephone Service. PPP, Point-to-Point Protocol. PPPoE, Point-to-Point Protocol over Ethernet. PPTP, Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol. PRI, Primary Rate Interface. PSK, Pre-Shared Key. PSTN, Public Switched Telephone Network. PTP, Point-to-Point. PTR, Pointer. PUA, Privileged User Agreement. PVC, Permanent Virtual Circuit. QoS, Quality of Service. QSFP, Quad Small Form Factor Pluggable. Radius, Remote Authentication Dial-In User Service. RARP, Reverse Address Resolution Protocol. RAS, Remote Access Service. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. RF, Radio Frequency. RFI, Radio Frequency Interference. RFP, Request for Proposal. RG, Radio Guide. RIP, Routing Internet Protocol. RJ, Registered Jack. RPO, Recovery Point Objective. RSA, Rivist, Shamir, Adelman. RSH, Remote Shell. RSTP, Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol. RTO, Recovery Time Objective. RTP, Real-Time Protocol. RTSP, Real-Time Streaming Protocol. RTT, Round Trip Time or Real Transfer Time. SA, Security Association. SaaS, Software as a Service. SAN, Storage Area Network. SC, Standard Connector/Subscriber Connector. SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. SCP, Secure Copy Protocol. SCSI, Small Computer System Interface. SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. SDN, Software Defined Network. SDP, Session Description Protocol. SDSL, Symmetrical Digital Subscriber Line. SECaaS, Security as a Service. SFP, Small Form Factor Pluggable. SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. SGCP, Simple Gateway Control Protocol. SHA, Secure Hash Algorithm. SIEM, Security Information and Event Management. SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. SLA, Service Level Agreement. SLAAC, Stateless Address Auto Configuration. SLIP, Serial Line Internet Protocol. SMB, Server Message Block. SMF, Single Mode Fiber. SMS, Short Message Service. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. SNAT, Static Network Address Translation/Source Network Address Translation. SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. SNR, Signal to Noise Ratio. SNTP, Simple Network Time Protocol. SOA, Start of Authority. SOHO, Small Office Home Office. SONET, Synchronous Optical Network. SOP, Standard Operating Procedure. SOW, Statement of Work. SPB, Shortest Path Bridging. SPI, Stateful Packet Inspection. SPS, Standby Power Supply. SSH, Secure Shell. SSID, Service Set Identifier. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. SSO, Single Sign-On. ST, Straight Tip or Snap Twist. STP, Spanning Tree Protocol/Shielded Twisted Pair. SVC Switch Virtual Circuit. Syslog, System Log. T1, Terrestrial Carrier Level 1. TA, Terminal Adapter. TACACS, Terminal Access Control System. TACACS Plus, Terminal Access Control System Plus. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. TCP, IP, Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol. TDM, Time Division Multiplexing. TDR, Time Domain Reflectometer. Telco, Telecommunications Company. TFTP, Trivial File Transfer Protocol. TIA, EIA, Telecommunication Industries Association/Electronic Industries Alliance. TKIP, Temporal Key Integrity Protocol. TLS, Transport Layer Security. TMS, Transportation Management System. TOS, Type of Service. TPM, Trusted Platform Module. TTL, Time to Live. TTLS, Tunneled Transport Layer Security. UC, Unified Communications. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. UNC, Universal Naming Convention. UPC, Ultra Polished Connector. UPS, Uninterruptible Power Supply. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. USB, Universal Serial Bus. UTM, Unified Threat Management. UTP, Unshielded Twisted Pair. VDSL, Variable Digital Subscriber Line. VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network. VLSM, Variable Length Subnet Mask. VNC, Virtual Network Connection. VoIP, Voice over IP. VPN, Virtual Private Network. VRF, Virtual Routing Forwarding. VRRP, Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol. VTC, Video Teleconference. VTP, VLAN Trunk Protocol. WAF, Web Application Firewall. WAN, Wide Area Network.